It's expected to cool down again in the nation, and to find out by how much, let's go over to our Kwon Soa at the Weather Center. Soa, hello.
Hi, Jie, and good evening, everyone. Now, here's some good news and bad news for you. The bad news is that it's getting freezing cold again. The good news is we'll have finally some pleasant sunshine after the gloomy days we had before. Now, the earlier rain clouds have moved out of the country, as you can see on our satellite map, but now we've got a cold front expanding from the northwest. It's already getting colder with every passing hour, with winds blowing at stronger rates. They are, in fact, currently blowing at around 7 meters per second here in the capital Seoul. Now, what this means is that although the current temperature is at a bearable -4 degrees, it feels like -10. And tomorrow, it's also the actual readings plunging far. So let's take a look. The morning low in Seoul should be around 10 degrees lower than today. Daegu starts off at -6, Gwangju at -5, and Busan at -3. Highs make it to between 0 and 2. And let's take over to other places. Daejeon ranges from -9 to -3. Jeju Island stays thankfully in the positives, and Myeongkumgang just makes it to -8. So bundle up tight, everyone. And for those watching from other parts of the world, here's the weather of some major travel destinations. It's getting a tad colder in Beijing, with the daytime high expected to hit -3 degrees. Tokyo hits 9, Islamabad and New Delhi 19. All 4 cities named should enjoy clear sunny skies. After lots of scorching hot days, thunderstorms are going to visit Bangkok beginning Friday, so maybe they'll freshen things up a little. Most other Southeast Asian regions should have thunder activity too. Down under, you'll have a mix of sun and clouds in Sydney and Melbourne. And also for Melbourne, note the gradual decline in temperatures. Perth stays hot. Over in North America, you'll have light rain in the morning in Vancouver and more on and off showers later on. Temperatures rise a bit in Montreal, but still -15 doesn't sound too good, so stay bundled up. Snow clouds will move into the Midwest of the U.S., including Chicago. Much of the East expects snow showers too, but west in LA, it's gonna be rain. Further down, sweltering hot conditions in Rio de Janeiro call for beach activities this last day of the work week. Sao Paulo can also anticipate a precipitation-free and hot day. It'll calm down in Buenos Aires, but also it'll cool down a lot. And as for Europe, it's getting a few degrees colder in Paris. Berlin stays freezing too. London barely makes it to +1 with overcast skies. Moscow remains in the negative double digits. Rome can enjoy positive double digits. And for those in Africa, get ready for gusty winds again in Tripoli. A little bit of early rain in Algiers. Temperatures stay chilly. Meanwhile, in Cairo, things warm up significantly for a day. Now, that's the forecast for now, but I'll be back with more updates after 10, so see you then.
Thank you, Soa. And that does it for us. I'm Yoo Ji-hye in Seoul. I'll be back with more news updates in our primetime news at 10 p.m. Korea time. See you then.